Alagiri Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Government Postgrad College, Siriguppa. Today is my chapter, so alternating current. Under that, a resonance, a bandwidth, and a quality factor. In the AC circuit containing a resistor, inductor, and a capacitor. So, LCR series circuit. Then what is resonance? A resonance is a condition in an RLC circuit, that means LCR circuit, in which the capacitive reactance must be equal to inductive reactance, which are equal in a magnitude, thereby resulting in a purely resistive impedance. That means where the circuit which behaves as a pure resistive circuit. Under that condition, impedance is minimum, the current is maximum. That means no phase difference between current and voltage. So the phase difference between current and voltage that must be equal to 0. Resonance circuits are useful for constructing filters and used in many applications. A resonance frequency is the frequency where the condition of resonance occurs. That means a resonance frequency in LCR circuit means it is a frequency at which a capacitive reactance is equal to inductive reactance. Then under that condition, impedance is minimum, current is maximum, where the circuit which behaves as a pure resistor circuit. That means the phase difference between current and voltage that must be equal to 0. XL is equal to XC. Then omega L minus 1 by omega R. So C is equal to 0. Where omega or L minus 1 by omega or C is equal to 0, because XL is equal to XC, a capacitive reactance is equal to inductive reactance. Then omega R square, that means the frequency at resonance, angular frequency at resonance, which is equal to 1 by LC. Omega R is equal to 1 by root of LC. So then F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. That means the expression for a resonance frequency. Off power frequency or cutoff frequency. Off power frequency is the frequency when the magnitude of the output voltage or current is decreases by 0.707 of its maximum value. So, off power frequency is also called as cutoff frequency, where the output voltage or current which decreases by 0.707, 1 by root 2 times. So, it's the maximum value. Then the lower cutoff frequency FL at off power frequency Pm by 2, I is equal to Im by root 2, which is equal to 0.707 Im. Z is equal to root 2 R, X is equal to minus R. Omega L is equal to R by 2L plus root of R by 2L whole square plus 1 by LC. Then upper cutoff frequency FH Pm by 2, I is equal to Im by root 2, again 0.707 Im, Z is equal to root 2 R, X is equal to plus R, inductive. Then a WH, which is equal to plus R by 2L plus root of R by 2L whole square plus 1 by LC. Then W is equal to bandwidth, BW, the bandwidth which is equal to resonance frequency by quality factor, FH minus FL, R by L radians or R by 2 pi L hertz. So then bandwidth is the difference between the two of power frequencies. I maximum 0.707 I maximum. So lower frequency, upper frequency, lower cutoff frequency, upper cutoff frequency. If you plot a graph, current versus frequency, initially as the frequency increases, the current is also increases. So then it can reach the maximum value. So further as the frequency increases, the current goes on decreases. So called at a particular point the current is the maximum, where if you select the point corresponding to 0.707 I maximum, say FL and FH, lower frequency and upper frequency, where the middle one, dotted line, that indicates the resonance frequency, at which the current is maximum, impedance is minimum. The difference between the lower frequency and upper frequency is known as bandwidth. So bandwidth of a series, a LC or RLC, a resonance circuit. So the sharpness of the circuit is called quality factor. Just to see the diagram, as the resistance value decreases, the sharpness goes on increases. As the resistance value increases, the sharpness of the curve goes on decreases. So then quality factor. The ratio of resonance frequency to the bandwidth, Q is equal to omega naught by beta, which is equal to omega naught L by R. Q is equal to omega R L by R, which is equal to XL by R, which is equal to 1 by omega R CR, which is equal to XC by R, which is equal to 1 by R root of L by C. The sharpness of a response curve could be measured by the quality factor Q. Thank you.